If you're not a big fan of spinach, try today's recipe. I promise you, you'll change your mind. Hello and welcome to Mustard Temper Dreams. I am Neha and today I'm making a smashing spinach recipe called Lasooni Palak or Indian style garlicky spinach. This spicy, garlicky, melt in your mouth Lasooni Palak goes great with rotis as well as rice. Trust me, this is the best ever way of eating spinach. You'll find all the ingredients listed in the description below. Now let's go make some Lasooni Palak.
First and foremost, we're going to start by blanching some spinach, for which here I have kept a saucepan full of water to boil. When the water comes to a boil, we'll add in our spinach leaves. Today I'm using roughly around 450 grams of spinach. We'll blanch the spinach for about 3 to 4 minutes or till all the leaves have completely wilted. Now I'm going to dunk our hot blanched spinach into some ice water to cool it immediately. The ice water shocks the spinach and prevents it from cooking any further. It also helps retain the beautiful green color of the spinach. When the spinach is completely cooled, we'll bring it out and squeeze out as much water as possible with our hands. After squeezing out the water from all of the spinach, we'll divide it into 2 equal parts. Now we'll chop up 1/2 of the spinach. We are going to add the other half of the spinach into a blender jar with 2 green chillies and 1/4 cup of water and blend it into a smooth paste. This looks perfect and now we are ready to make our Lasooni Palak. I'm going to start by adding about 3 tablespoons of oil into this pan. When the oil becomes hot, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds. As the cumin seeds start crackling, I'm going to add in a bay leaf and give this tempering a quick stir. Then I'm going to add a medium-sized onion that's finely chopped. We'll saute the onions till they become translucent and then add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic that are coarsely pounded. We'll cook the onions and the garlic till the raw smell of the garlic dissipates and they begin to caramelize. As the onions and the garlic begin to brown, we'll add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. We'll roast the powdered spices with the onion and garlic for about 30 seconds and then add a tablespoon of besan or chickpea flour. We'll roast the besan with the rest of our ingredients till no lumps remain and everything is thoroughly mixed. Now we'll add in our chopped spinach and make sure it mixes in thoroughly. Perfect. Now into this we'll add in our spinach puree. Once everything is properly mixed, I'm going to add in about 1/2 cup of water. It's always a good idea to rinse out the blender jar and get off all the puree stuck in it. You can add in another 1/4 cup of water if you feel like the consistency is too thick. And now we are going to add in some salt to taste. And finally, in goes 1/2 teaspoon of Garam Masala. Now we'll cover the pan and let our spinach simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes on low heat. As our spinach is simmering, we are going to make our second tempering. For this, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of ghee into my tempering pan. When the ghee becomes hot, I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of sesame seeds, and as they begin to crackle, I'm going to add 4 to 5 cloves of roughly chopped garlic. We are going to fry the garlic till they start browning and then add 2 dried red chillies. Once the garlic becomes nice and crispy, we'll pour this tempering on top of our spinach gravy. Oh my god, just look at that, and this smells divine. We'll thoroughly mix in this garlic tempering into our spinach gravy, and there you go, our lovely Lasooni Palak is now ready to eat.
Time to taste! Mmm! 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 Oh my god! This Lasooni Palak is absolutely mind-blowing. You have to give this recipe a try. And when you do, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to Mustard Tempered Dreams. See you next week. Bye!